everybody, and welcome to the Fabulous Family presents the traditional Christmas tablescape. Today I am showing my traditional tablescape. It is not the regular green and red. I decided to keep the theme to go with my rose gold and plum Christmas tree. And the only thing I did on this table, I changed it up to all gold, because y'all know gold is my color. And I've added in some of my hard to find vintage thrift glasses. And I believe that is the Libby vintage going back into like the 40s and the 50s. And you will see throughout the table, I have several pieces. I am still on the hunt looking for more. So I hope you enjoy this tablescape. This will be number 5 in our series, and be on the lookout for our New Year's Eve tablescape. And y'all have a Merry Christmas and happy holidays, and I will see y'all the first of the year. And don't forget to go check out my Etsy shop, So Fabulous Baths. Thank you. So over here, I set up a little small buffet, and if y'all remember my Mrs. Santa Claus and Mr. Santa Claus that I got for like $3.99 and $2.99, I thrifted this summer. Well, they are here. I don't have them plugged up because I really don't have a staging area, but I wanted just to throw them in before the season is over with, and I get to display my greatest find. And this is just like a little Christmas tree platter, you know, with my faux desserts, little gift box to put the desserts in. And there is Mr. Santa Claus. And they are so lovable in person. I really didn't have time this year to pull out all my Santas because of, the ongoing issues and moving the storages and trying to find things. So I hope you enjoyed my reminiscence of a traditional tablescape. I have changed it up this year because I just fell in love with the plum and the rose gold and the regular gold, attiring. So just gives you some different ideas. You don't always have to stick to the traditional colors. So with that being said, I just want to wish everybody a happy holidays and Merry Christmas, and I'll see y'all in January. Bye-bye, and always remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it.